Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I just want to go over Alibaba, why I am bullish on Alibaba, and just go over the trade plan, stop loss, and everything like that. Now keep in mind that Alibaba is at 2018 levels, and that we got a whole year on our contract. And when we look at the daily, we have this very nice falling wedge breakout, and then we have multiple gaps to the upside. Now my price target is 230 by earnings, and that would be like a 50% gain on the small account challenge, and we would be at like 5,000 on the small account challenge. So that is my goal, to hit 5,000 off of this play. Now keep in mind that this is a leap, so we have a lot of time and it's pretty safe on it. So overall, that's all very simple. My stop loss would be at break even or close below, so somewhere like right around over here. If it touches the support again, I'll be cutting it, but for right now it looks very nice. Another thing about Alibaba is that it always likes to gap up or down, so you can see that we have multiple gaps. And keep in mind that 9988 is the HK, so China market, and always keep an eye on that. So as you can see, it loves to gap up, which is kind of scary for Alibaba. But again, we got a whole year on it. So overall, very simple video. This is the play for the small account challenge. We got a whole year stop loss, if we hit this level again, and we did get it at like 200. So overall, very simple play, and I'm expecting a huge massive run up for earnings, and I think we should be able to hit 230 by that, or even 240 on here. And you guys can actually check option calculator, which is a very nice site to check your profits on the option. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.